Okay, ambulance. Oh my god. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video. If you have not watched my previous video, I was facing some issue with my Duke 790. Bearings got broke down twice, and my 790 is lying in this service center for the last 15 days. Okay, hi. ಶಿವು ಆರಾಮ? ಮದುವೆ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಕಂಗ್ರ್ಯಾಚುಲೇಷನ್ಸ್, ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಮ್ಯಾರಿಡ್ ಲೈಫ್. ಮದುವೆ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೊಟ್ಟೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಬಂದೈತೆ. ನೀವೇ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರ ಗಾಡಿ ಮೇಲೆ? ಇವಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಹಾಂ, ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಸೆಟ್. ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ವಿಲ್ ಡಿಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ? ಹಾಂ ಹಾಂ. Okay, after 15 odd days, back on my mission. Okay. Problem. Braking is okay. Everything looks okay. Let me take this to a highway. Namaskara. Now they have removed the wheel from the test ride 790 and they have installed it to my bike, and they have been testing with it, and even they just asked me to take a ride and share my feedback. Now I'm on highway. I'm going to ride it for around 80 odd kilometers and see whether the problem persists or not. Now let me see how it goes. I need to get earplugs, man. Too much of wind noise. I'll have to install that windshield as well. Yenidu highway traffic jam. Hope there is no accident ahead of me. Something has gone wrong. My god. Yenappa idu. So many people have stopped their bikes. What has happened? Oh, okay. Ambulance. Oh shit, man. Topple. Yenge guru idu. Oh my god. So ಅಜ್ಜಿ ಸರ್, ಏನಾಯ್ತು ನೋಡಿದ್ರಾ? ಬಾಪ್ರೆ ಬಾಪ್, ಲಾರಿ ಮ್ಯಾನ್. Toyota Innova. See, what I got to know based on what they are talking there, they were coming on this road and the Toyota guy tried to overtake. There was some confusion, something went wrong. See, lorry has come all the way from that main road. It has gone there, from this road to that road, and look at the condition of Toyota Innova. There is no major injury as such. That is what I got to know. Man, look at this. Oh my god. See the truck. It has gone from this road to that road. My god. I wish whoever got injured in this accident recovers soon. I pray to God, let them recover soon. I don't trust these matadors, what do we call it, the mini trucks. They suddenly pull it to right or left. I have gone through a crash in my Activa in city itself. I'll be super careful when I am crossing these mini trucks, especially not the large trucks. Large trucks, sometimes they take some time to take left or right, but these guys will suddenly pull to left or right, and they confuse the rider. I'm not generalizing it, but I have gone through such horrible experience. So I'm always super careful when I'm crossing those mini trucks. I'm just pushing the limits in all the gears to check if something goes wrong again. I'm talking about bearings. I'm testing the brakes, acceleration, and the overall performance of this bike, because this was parked for more than 15 days now. It is performing quite good, but still, let me see how it goes. I will see you in the showroom, guys. Shiva, banta? If you have not watched my previous video, I will explain what exactly happened with my bike. The rear wheel bearings got broke down when I was riding back home. Luckily it happened in city and I got it to the service center. They said bearings got broken, we need to install new bearings. I said let's do it. I was a little surprised because I hadn't even covered around 3000 odd kilometers, I think. Bearing got broken, new bike. They said, sir, there might be some issue, we will figure that out, and they got the new bearings. It took around 1 month to get the bearings from Austria. They installed the new bearings. I got my bike back and I started riding it for around 2 days after installing the new bearings. Again, the new bearings got broke down. Again, I got my bike back to the service center and I told them, seriously boss, you will have to figure out the root of this problem. This is not acceptable. 2 new bearings got broke down. That is a wear and tear part. It happens after 20, sometimes 15 plus or 20, sometimes 30 plus 1000 kilometers. But this is happening back to back within 3000 kilometers of ownership. Then they said, sir, yes, we will figure it out. I told them, boss, be very serious. If you are not well versed, just take some technical specialist from Austria, whosoever who manages 790, and get on call, get this issue fixed. First you need to do a root cause analysis. And I even told them this is going to cost riders life. This is not a regular 200 or 300cc bike. This is a different animal altogether. It's a torque monster. And the rider who rides this bike always pushes the limit. I'm talking about myself. And if this happens, man, that is very scary. And that sound that comes out when bearings get screwed up, it's literally scary. Now they figured out the problem. They have compared my bike with the used 790, which they have kept it for demo, and they found that the broken bearing messed up the internal part of the mag wheel. Because of that, there is some uneven traction around, something like that they explained. And now the solution what they have found is they're just going to remove the stock, the damaged mag wheel, and they're going to replace it with the new mag wheel with the complete set under warranty. So that's the thing. Take care, bye. Now what they have done is, to test, they have replaced my stock rear wheel with the test ride bike 790, and they even called me and asked me to just ride it for around 70 odd kilometers and share my feedback. That's what they told, and I have just ridden around 80 kilometers and I came back to the service center. Bike is okay now, no issues, but still let me see how it goes. I don't have the confidence to take this bike on long rides as of now. After I get my bike with the new mag wheel, I will do one thing. I will take to an expert mechanic and I will ask him to share his feedback and get his second opinion. That's safe, right? Thank you guys for watching, and you will see me in my next video, either riding this 790 or some other bike. Like, I plan to test ride the Java and share my first impressions. So see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye. Careful. ಅಲ್ಲ ಇವನು ಯಾವುದೋ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟಿವನ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಸಸ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹಿಂಗೆ ಓಡಿಸ್ತಾವನಲ್ಲ, ಇನ್ನೇನಾದ್ರು 790 ಹೇಗೆ ಸಿಕ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಇವನು.